Hello, it's Sunday night. It's 9:15 p.m. And earlier on during the day, we got these two new things for us in the kitchen. It's a pot and a coffee maker that I'm about to show you. So my wife said we needed a new pot. So here it is, that new pot to cook. So yeah, it looks nice. Stainless steel, I think she said. Yep, stainless steel. There it is. You can make the soups for the daughter. But here's the big one that I really wanted y'all to see. It's our new coffee maker. Black stainless steel single serve coffee maker, y'all. Take a look at it right here. Select your cup size, then brew your choice of coffee grounds or standard K-cups. It's a little bit of an upgrade in comparison to the one we had before. I mean, still had this gimmick, but now it's a much better one. You can put more more water in it. So that is the box, and in a moment you'll see me open it. Because now you can make it a smaller or bigger size a cup, so that's better. And then this one's better to fill up more water. Let's try and open it now. It looks like it didn't have tape or anything, so I don't need the knife. It's challenging with one hand. How do you do this exactly? There it is. Okay. Yeah. Who needs instructions for coffee? Here it is. Try it. I guess they put on this for its protection, right? And that was for protection of the machine, the coffee maker. So put this down for a minute. There it is. Here it is, y'all. Looks good. Here it is. So I guess you all want to see me, unwrap this as well. Take the bag out. Right now I'll give you all a better look at it. Here it is, coffee maker. So there it is, out of the package and everything. Check out the details here. Let's try and open this. And there's where you put this little cup, and poop, and then you pour your coffee in there. And then you close the lid. And somehow you can, once I remove this, I'll be able to show you better. Should have done this, I didn't realize. So you see, once you do this, let's say, because this is like if you have a cup that's this long, this tall. But if you have a shorter one, you can put it right here. If you have a shorter cup, or you have a cup that's somewhere more this size, then you put it whatever size of cup you want. So in the previous coffee maker we couldn't do that, so now we're able to do that. It's basically the only major difference. Another difference is like, look at this. That's how much water, damn, we can fill this, a lot of cups. My water tank is empty during break. 3 minutes for brewing, reset after water. Okay, you see? A lot more water fits in there. So yeah, that's a very nice coffee maker. It looks nice. And now, look, you can use 14 ounce, 12 ounce, 10, 8, 6 ounce, even up to 30 ounces. And you can choose your size. In the previous coffee maker, we couldn't choose the size, and we still have that option, just like before. We have the option of ground coffee or K-cups, but now we added the size, so that's an upgrade. That, and there it is, the size you choose. So hopefully it works well. We'll find out in the morning, because obviously I'm not making coffee right now at night. But once I wake up in the morning for work and we do the coffee drinking, then we'll see how it works. And I'm placing the little cup right there. And there's the pot, pan, whatever it's called, without the wrappings. Very nice blue handle and blue over here. Kind of purple edge right there. Very nice and beautiful.